just like this, and then you're gonna rock forward into a push-up. So your knees stay bent when you do the push-up. Out to the side, push-up. Out to the other side, push-up. Alternating sides. Here we go. Now, if the push-up doesn't make sense to you, I'm pushing all my weight into my arms right here. Just do the sides. Okay, you're gonna run it out wide. So you're gonna go, cross, not wide, sorry. On your back with your weight. Okay, you're gonna alternate the legs. You're gonna come up, circle around, and back down. Now, I think I said alternate. Ignore me. I have snow on my mind. I don't mean alternate. I mean circulate around the leg. Rest for a sec. We're going to do the other leg, circulating around the other leg. Obviously, if you're having trouble, just come up and go back down like we do a lot in class. All right, 2 hands on the weight. You're going to bring the weight through. Now, if that doesn't work for you, just roll up without bringing the knees up like that. Okay, back to your washcloths. You're going to shoot to your sides, nice and wide now, so it's out. On your side. Okay, so you're going to bring them up and pulse for 3. So pulse, 2, 3. Now if you're having trouble, you can just come up, 2, 3. Take your washcloths. You're going to cross and you're going to climb wide. Cross, climb wide. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. nice and hinge. Other side. Pulse for 3. Okay, you can put your washcloth aside, which you might think is a really good thing, but we're going to do a little burpee challenge. Well, not challenge, but let's call it an extravaganza for the next few minutes, or probably 2 minutes. I have to teach a class soon, so. All right, keep your weight nearby. If you need to modify your burpees, you'll be doing things like squats, lunges, you know, fun things like that. Okay, so first round, you're going to just do regular burpees. However, when you come up and you jump, try and kick your heels together. Okay, here we go. Next burpee is a single leg burpee. So you're going to try and stay on one foot as you hop back in, up. Don't shut the recording off now. You come this far, you might as well just get through it. Shake it out to the other side. Here we go. Excellent. Next one, you're going to row. Jump down, row with your weight, jump up. Just one arm rows, then you jump back up, and then you'll row the arm next time you go down. Okay, next and final one. Ooh, neck crack, so good. You're gonna do a little push-up. Yeah, a little push-up. Here we go. On your back, real quick, inverse crunch with your arms up, so belly in. Now if you can, lower the arms to your ears right here. No momentum. Bring the arms up and everything separates. Only go as low as you feel comfortable going. Put your weight down, lift your hips and twist. Now you can add the leg drop like this, please do. Okay, so that's about 30 minutes. Take some time and stretch. Please stretch, please take your time. And if you have any questions or concerns, you know where to find me. Good luck, see you next time.